And our friends at the Philippine Red Cross Olongapo chapter invites everyone to join the mobile blood donation drive happening this coming December 19, Friday yan ano, ang December 19. Yeah. 12 noon to 8 p.m. at Harbor Point Ayala Mall. Donate blood and help save lives. Be a hero today. See you there. Give the gift of life. Talaga naman ang gift ang blood donation, gift of life talaga 'yan, okay? And why should you donate blood? Here are the best things, best reasons why donating blood is the best Christmas gift, okay? You literally ha, save lives. 'Di ba? Sabi ni Kuya Glenn. Kuya Glenn ko from Red Cross Olongapo. Tsaka yung mga tropa natin dyan. A single donation can help up to 3 patients. Do you guys know that? Trauma victims, cancer patients, newborns, or mothers giving birth. No material gift can compare to the giving to giving someone more time with their family, di ba? Okay? It's a gift money can't buy. Even the wealthiest person in the world cannot buy blood. It can only come from generous people like you. Okay? Number 3, you help ensure blood bank supply during the holiday shortage. December usually has fewer donors, but higher accident and medical emergencies, lalong-lalo na pagdating ng mag-New Year. Daming napuputokan, mga pinutukan ng linchak na nagpapaputok. You become part of someone's Christmas miracle, di ba? Imagine a parent, a child, or a patient in crisis celebrating Christmas because you gave them a second chance. Oh, di ba? Kaya tayo, as regular blood donors, we're heroes. Oh, tanggapin, ang kinina natin, totoo yan. We are heroes. Kaya ako, I'm a proud blood donor, no? Sabi ko nga kay Kuya Glenn, kunin mo na lahat ng dugo ko kung pwede. Pero hindi pwede. Hindi pwede, syempre. It takes less than an hour, but the impact lasts a lifetime. That's true. Oh, pag nag-ano nga ako, pag nagba-blood donor ako, saglit lang, ang bilis lang sa Red Cross. Gusto ko nga magstay dun eh. Gusto ko doon ako mag-lunch, tsaka mag-dinner. Kaya lang, di naman ako inaalok ni Kuya Glenn eh. Baka itong Christmas, itong December, baka alokin ako. No? I'm just kidding. You know, when you give others, others are inspired rather to give too. Christmas spirit activated. There you go. Di ba? It creates a ripple of kindness. Yan yung number 7. Okay? And yung number 6, nabasa ko ba? Hindi ko yata number 6 pala muna. You get a free mini health check. Kasi chine-check yung blood pressure mo, hemoglobin, pulse rate. Consider it a free health screening while helping others. Yeah, number 6. Number 7, it creates a ripple of kindness. Diba? Domino effect. Number 8, it's an act of compassion that aligns with the season. Christmas is all about love, generosity, and giving without expecting anything in return. Exactly what blood donation is. You know? Number 9, you help the Philippine Red Cross sustain emergency response efforts. Okay, you know that? Your donation supports PRC's mission of providing readily available safe blood for all in need. Yan, okay? All right, do you guys know that? And number 10, it's a gift that represents you. It's personal, it's meaningful. The gift of life carries your kindness, your heart, your humanity. Yun eh, di ba? Ganun yun eh. Okay? So this Christmas, don't just give a present. Be the present. Donate blood at the Philippine Red Cross Olongapo chapter. Pwede rin sa mga hospital. Ako, what I do is I ask my friends, halimbawa, pag time for me today, every 3 months I ask my friends, nagpo-post pa nga ako sa Facebook eh. Anybody in need, I'm due to donate next. A week ahead, nagpo-post ako. Next week, I'm due to Pastol! Ikaw naman, pas! Nabubuyoy na ako eh. Siguro gutom na ako. No? Okay. Pag due ko na mag-donate, ayun. Parang si Judith, no? Kilala niyo si Judith? Judith na eh. Judith na yung bill ng kuryente, bill ng tubig. Judith. Pag due ko na mag-donate, pinopost ko a week ahead. Any of my friends or relatives in need of blood, I'm about to donate this next week. Yan. Pero kung urgent na, pwede na. 1 week to go na lang naman eh. Gagawin ko na kung urgent na. No? What I do is, kung saang hospital, doon ako nagdo-donate. Okay? Pero kung wala naman, walang nag-a-ask, I go straight to Philippine Red Cross. Ganun din naman yun eh. Di ba? Sa kanila din naman kukuha pagka kinailangan. Okay? So yan. To join the Philippine Red Cross Olongapo chapter's blood donation drive that will be happening this coming December 19, 2025, 12 noon hanggang 8 p.m. ha. O wag yung gawing dahilan yung ha. Anong oras na kasi ako nakauwi? Hanggang 8 p.m. po. Kung ang out mo 5, aabot ka pa. 6, aabot ka pa. 7, aabot pa, di ba? Hanggang 8 eh, di ba? Huwag nyo kung, ano ha, huwag kayong palusot ha. Okay, at the Harbor Point, second lobby, okay, near the shoe salon, okay? Total December 19 na eh, no? A week to go na lang yung due kasi ako every last week. Anywhere between the last week of December. Every 3 months. Malapit na rin. Pwede na siguro ako sumabay dito, December 19, no? Yan, okay? Sige, I will. O, Kuya Glenn, punta ako dyan. O, magdo-donate ako. Kunin nyo na ang lahat sa akin. Okay. Subic Bay Food Festival schedule for you. Yung mga nag-aabang-abang, dami nagtatanong sa akin. Pare, bukas ba yung yung food festival? Sarap kasi pumunta dyan, yung mga foodie, no? Di ba? Lahat ng all sorts or different types of foods and yung mga foodie, tapos may live entertainment pa, di ba? Okay. Ito yung schedule. Ano na ba ngayon? December 15, From 11 to 23, bukas po sila. Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy na yon. From 11 hanggang December 23. Magsasara muna December 24 dahil magbibispiras ng Pasko, no? Siyempre, magpapasko tayo sa pamilya natin, no? December 25, open ulit. Open ulit, December 25. Pasko yun, ha? Tapos, hanggang January 4, ayan, open na. Pagdating ng December 25, dire-diretso na hanggang January 4. Meaning, meron din silang Christmas countdown na gagawin doon, ha? Yan, okay? Ay, Christmas countdown. New Year countdown, I'm sorry. Sarado nga ng sarado ng 24 eh, di ba? Pero 25, Christmas Day bukas sila. Yun, ang saya-saya. Ay! Okay. New Year countdown. Hanggang ano 'yon? December 31 'yon, siyempre, 'di ba? Kung may New Year countdown, diyan na kayo maki-countdown sa amin. Punta kayo sa Subic Bay Food Festival at the mini golf course, Waterfront Road, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Okay? Alright! And lastly, job openings naman from Future Link. Baka naghahanap kayo ng trabaho, ha? Okay? Ito yung mga latest job openings nila. They are looking for sewers, taga-tahi, mananahi. Okay? If you're interested, please submit your resume. Dali nyo na, resume, lahat. Mga work certificates ninyo, di ba? Certificate of Employment, school papers. Ayan. Dali nyo na lahat. Okay? So, next up, ano pa ba? They are located at Unit 101, Building 2, Sunny East Complex, Lot 18 to 20, Manila Avenue, Central Business District area. Haba ng address, no? Ito shortcut. Harap lang ng Pag-ibig Fund. haba ng sinabi, no? Harap lang pala ng Pag-ibig Fund. Eh. Alam niyo yung Pag-ibig Fund sa Subic Bay Freeport, pagtawid ng main gate, di ba? Not main gate, Rizal Gate, may intersection. Tapos, pagtawid nyo ng intersection, ayun na, di ba? Nandun na yung Pag-ibig Fund. Kaharap lang noon. Okay, dali hanapin. Alright. Ito, may tumatawag sa akin. Sorry ha, on air ako eh. I cannot be borrowan from others. Okay? Once again, Future Link, located at Unit 101, Building 2, Sunny East Complex, Lot 18 to 20, Manila Avenue, CBD area. Subic Bay, Freeport. So, sewers ha. Kailangan syempre marunong gumamit ng high-speed sewing machine with at least 1 to 2 years of sewing experience. Ayan. Send your applications now, okay? Pwedeng via email, yung pag-send. Ayan. Call or text. recruitment@futurelink.ph. So, diretso lang yung FutureLink. Diretso lahat yun. recruitment@futurelink.ph. Okay? Pwede rin tumawag, call or text 0985-764-7701. Okay? Alright? Also, ito pa. Opening din sa Future Link din. Apply now. Forklift operator with NC2 or equivalent training. Siyempre, forklift operator yan. Mag-ooperate ka ng forklift. Hindi pwedeng basta-basta lang. No? Kailangan may experience niya. Okay? Marunong. Di ba? Mahirap na. Mag-operate ng forklift. May nagsabi sa akin dati yan, dali-dali lang yan, DJ Tommy. Iaangat mo lang yung tinidor eh. Forklift nga naman. Alam mo, sabi ko sa kanya, pare, may katwiran ka, baloktot lang. Also, hiring pa. Ito pa, dami. Kala nyo ha, dismantlers. Yan, disassemble, end-of-life electronics, no experience needed, overtime Ay, kahit sino, kaya to eh. Kahit ako, kaya ko to eh. Didismantle lang yung electronics eh. Pero huwag nyo sisirain, syempre. Ano yan eh. i-repurpose yan eh, di ba? I-reuse yan eh, di ba? I-recycle, I mean. Ayan. Dismantlers of electronics. Okay? Doon din mag-apply, siyempre. Same. Ito pa, production workers, 200 males. Ewan ko kung ilan sa females, pero 200 males ang nakalagay, ha? Okay? 200 males. Ito pa, general workers, kahit high school graduate pwede. Hindi kailangan ng experience. Willing to start immediately. As in, now na! Now na mga repa, punta na! Yan, okay. What a great way to end our show, di ba? Nagbigay ako ng mga job openings, nag-announce ako ng job openings sa inyo, courtesy of FutureLink Incorporated. Okay? Oh, guys, punta lang kayo sa FutureLink ha, Incorporated. Harap lang ng Pag-ibig Fund na building. Di ba? Punta kayo doon. Makikita nyo naman, may building doon ng FutureLink. Unit 1, Building 1, Sunny East Complex. Yun yung tawag doon sa lugar na yun, Sunny East Complex. Lot 18 to 20, Manila Avenue, Central Business District Area, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Alrighty. Okay, so that's about it for me. That's about the time that we have for this radio show. Maraming salamat for joining me. Thank you very much. And again, yung nag-aabang po ng namin ng stand-up comedy namin sa Acapella Cafe, yung ating grupo called Zamba Mike. We do mentoring sa mga gustong matuto mag-stand-up comedy, sa gustong mag-poetry reading. Kasi yung ibang tao, yung iba minsan yan eh, 'di ba? Yung iba minsan gusto 'yan, kaya lang minsan may talent naman sila, kaya lang ayaw lumabas, parang alam mo na, kulang sa experience, kulang sa lakas ng loob, nahihiya. You can earn it there. We do mentoring. Pwede namin kayo sabayan. Kasi yun eh, pag pumunta kayo doon, hindi naman game na, magpatawa ka, game na, mag-poetry ka. Parang training ground, parang headquarters of the Zamba Mike. Okay? So everybody can join, walang judgment. Walang judging. Hindi kami mapanghusga. Kung gusto nyo subok nga lang eh, di ba? Subok lang naman. Sige, go ahead. Yeah, you guys join us there every Saturday. Pero babalik kami January na ha, kasi alam niyo naman, hectic ang December. January na po uli. The open mic, poetry reading, rap, hip-hop music, singing, anything that has to do with microphone. At Acapella Cafe, Burgos Street. Barangay Wawandwe, Subic, Zambales. Yung Burgos Street, lang yan, kaharap lang nung gas station after the Subic Municipal Hall. Di ba yung munisipyo ng Subic? Alam na lahat yan kung saan yun, no? Kaya lang kasi nagloko yung Christmas light display nun eh. Nagsi-short circuit, nakita, ang dami nakakita sa video. So ngayon, alam nyo na ha, yung paglagpas ng munisipyo, may gas station. Harap ng gas station, may maliit na street, papasok, Burgos Street, yun. Pasok lang kayo doon, ha, makikita nyo na. Okay! Kita-kits ulit sa January, mga tropa pits na pumupunta sa Acapella Cafe. Ayan, okay? And well, again, that's it for me. Maraming salamat. I miss doing this. Lunes no? Bukas ulit, ha? Tuesday, Wednesday, hanggang Thursday tayo, syempre. Monday to Thursday, Bandera Night Jams with DJ Tommy J. Tommy J. Okay. Oy, congratulations nga pala sa SBMA, ha, for holding the successful Thanksgiving party. Ang saya-saya nung Thanksgiving party. Alam niyo ang tema, parang back to school. Yan. SBMA Academy. Lahat kami nagsuot ng alam mo na, yung mga school uniform. Di ba? May mga nagsuot ng alam mo yung sexing school uniform, yung, di ba? Gustong-gusto ng mga tropa ko yun eh. Yung sexing school uniform, yung skirt na mataas, di ba? Parang isuot ni Britney Spears sa alam niyo yung video ng I get it again. I play with your heart. Hindi mo alam kung ano problema kayo ni Britney Spears. No? May barado ba ilong noon? Maraming kulangot sa loob. Kailangang linisin. It's a nasal condition. Sabi ng iba, it's a nasal condition. Yeah, okay. Sige na. Humaba. Papaalam na eh. Ano ba yung last song ko? Ilalagay ko yung last song. May napili na ako eh. Nawala tuloy eh. Ito. Music coming from The Cure. Ayan, okay. This one's called In Between Days. And this song is for all of you. Lahat na nakikinig ngayon. Yan, yung mga nandyan pa hanggang ngayon. Sila Kuya Justin Rice, Ate Tess Hernandez. Thank you for joining me. Maraming salamat. Thank you. O, kumpletuhin na natin. Nandyan din pala si Kuya Alvin Ortiz Quijado. Sorry, di ko kagad nakita. Kuya Ricky Antipolo. Hi, shoutout sa inyo. Elma Robles. Sino pa? Sige, mahaba intro nito. Basahin ko pa, ha? Ito pa, shoutout din. Kaya Yoli Lagotaki from Japan. Boki Ramos. Kuya Boki, kamusta? Augusto Jorge Lacasa Jr. In between days from The Cure with this song. For now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Enjoy the rest of your Monday. Bye-bye.